Hello, in today's video, I'll tell you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 error C153 and the recovery loop. The C153 error on THERMOMIX, most commonly on the TM5, but it may also happen on the TM6, means there is a mechanical fault with the arm locking mechanism that secures the lid. When it happens, the arms fail to lock properly and the machine usually shuts down or turns off when you press OK. But to fix it, you should unplug the device from power. If you are able, first shut it down by pressing and holding on the button. Make sure the screen is off. If you aren't able to shut it down for some reason, don't worry, you can unplug it, but it's better to unplug it if the device is off. After unplugging it, which I have just done, I recommend pressing on the button for about 5 seconds after it's unplugged, then release the button, wait additional half a minute, and then plug it back in. I'll plug it back in now because I didn't have the issue right now on the screen, but yeah, once it's plugged back in, don't turn it on just yet. Make sure that the bowl is properly seated, which means if you remove it, in a moment we'll check if it's properly assembled, but make sure there are no food particles anywhere here and remove them if they are there. Let's check if our bowl is properly assembled. For that, let's twist the bottom part clockwise, then remove it, then gently remove the blade. Now make sure that the blade has the seal on it. Sometimes it may be gray, not green, but this is the seal. Make sure it's properly installed like visible here. You can just take it off and reinstall it in case it's needed. Then put it back into the mixing bowl, put the bottom cap on, and I recommend just putting it at a 90-degree angle, then start twisting counterclockwise. At some point it'll jump in, and then you can continue twisting counterclockwise until it locks. Now put it in, make sure it is properly seated so that this handle is in this cutout. Now place the lid on top. Also make sure that there's nothing that may be blocking the lid. Push it in, and now let's try turning on the device and see if it works. You may want to clear some obstructions around the arms to ensure no dried food or debris blocks their movement. So the mechanism from the back should be cleaned gently. If there's something in there that may be blocking, you may want to wipe it off. These are the quick troubleshooting steps. If that didn't help, then there's a chance that it's an internal component failure, and if the error keeps coming back, the internal locking motor, which is inside, or a small plastic gear or a micro switch inside the base is worn out or damaged, and for that it will require a technician to repair or replace the internal locking actuator or motor assembly. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.